Okay, I just got off the bus. I'm on my way to the office. I met some people downtown Chicago. One person is homeless. He's from Colorado. I'm going to meet with him tomorrow morning and see if I can help him get some assistance from the state. He came to Chicago. He wants to be with his family, with his kids. He's got a son and daughter, 12 and son about 2. But he wants to get an apartment someplace and job, settle down, and then he could take care of his family. I see what I can do for him. He is a self-educated person. He has experience in welding. He worked for some welding company in Colorado. I asked him to get some documents for me, some referrals that I can get. So I should be able to get it later on today. So that's how my day went. Day 2, I went to post office, mail some important documents to Europe. I did see my nurse early today, and I'm waiting for my therapist to show up later on and evaluate the situation that I was involved. On Sunday, I had a very nasty incident when I was trying to get out of a handicap van. When they dropped me off in front of my house, the driver was very irresponsible. He let me back up out of the van backwards and put the platform right in the hole in the grass. That caused my wheelchair to fail, and I lost balance. I fall also, and then I proceed to my home and got rest. So we see what the therapist is going to say. I did see the nurse early today.